Hey, it is Mark with Noble Notary, serial entrepreneur. I am going to show you today some faceless digital marketing AI tools, as well as some content marketing strategies that have worked well for us. I'm going to show you a couple of things that, well, you can pay for and are certainly worth it and very inexpensive, as well as some free options and give you my feedback on those. And if you get this right, it's basically as good as, if not better than running paid ads. So let me show you this first. So this is an email I got from Neil Patel. If you don't know who Neil Patel is, he is the SEO guru of gurus. And so this email, Neil is basically saying that he sees the SEO shift kind of going to videos where videos are going to be, basically ranked better and better, and they are going to be one of the more powerful marketing strategies. So, of course, if you don't want to be on camera, you can do it faceless. I'm going to show you some options that are out there. And then he continues to talk about, of course, the power of YouTube, which is its own search engine also. And if you watch a video I did previously on Is SEO Dead, I kind of mentioned some of this, that no, SEO isn't dead. It still does work. And again, we'll go into content marketing strategies and how you can capitalize on that as well. But I just wanted to point this out that you should consider doing some video marketing. And I'm going to show you some exact things I've done to give us very favorable business revenue. And we use the video marketing both for online sales as well as for local service-based business. I'm in a unique position that I do both of those. So, like I said, serial entrepreneur. I'm selling digital products, and I'm also selling services, highly leveraged services as well. So that is Neil's input on it. So let me show you a couple of things. So this is coming down the pipe. It is not ready yet. This is from Google. This is from Google. It's called Video FX by Google. And it is, you kind of are on a waiting period for it. So it's not released yet, but apparently it's going to be like type in what you want for a video and it generates a video. So I can't wait to see what happens with that, but that's still coming down the pipe. So what can you do in the meantime? Well, there are still some other options. The most popular thing that a lot of people use for faceless YouTube is in video AI. And I've certainly used it in the past. I personally just prefer to do not faceless stuff, but I also do, anytime I do make a video, I make sure that I repurpose the crap out of it, which we can talk about as well. So, but within video, you simply can type in the topic and let it run with it, or you can give it more detailed and specifics about what you're wanting to do and wanting to say. And it can create short videos, it can create explainer videos, and then you can download them and then voila. So in video is pretty cool. So the next thing that I want to show you is this is HeyGen, and HeyGen can actually create AI generated videos, and it can create an avatar of yourself. I actually cloned myself and put some videos out there to see if anybody would even notice. And like, my wife can notice, but most anybody else I showed didn't even know that it wasn't me. So it was pretty impressive. And I since took those videos down. I wish I could show you one, but so HeyGen, there's a couple of them. There's one called Synthesia and HeyGen. I tested them both. HeyGen was by far better than the latter. And so if you wanted, you can literally clone yourself and clone an avatar and then load a script and it can generate a video for you, which is really cool, especially if you're talking about a topic that you have scripted and you're not good with script. I don't really do scripts. I just kind of shoot from the hip and let you know what I'm thinking in real time. So that is something to check into. Again, it wouldn't be faceless because it would be your face, but you wouldn't necessarily have to make the content, or you could just use one of their ready-made avatars. So that is a pretty cool AI tool for faceless marketing. Now let me go into something else I want to show you. So we're going to go from that into how I use my own video marketing, and then I want to show you some content marketing strategies. So let me exit out of this. So I may or may not have mentioned this before, but we have a couple of YouTube channels. We have the one you're watching now, and then we have one that is for mainly for different online type stuff, digital products, and probably some faceless videos on there as well, or content that's not necessarily us. We'll say third party content. And then we have another one that is just our local service based business, our core products. And I'm going to show you that. So what we do is we took a bunch of our core product offers for local services and we shot videos for these. So we shot both a long form video that was at least in length, and that's a key point to take away, at least a 3 minute video. And then we shot short form videos, which were under a minute in length. So those are your key takeaways. You want under 1 minute for a short or a reel, and you want over 3 minutes for a longer form. So we cut a bunch of videos of our core products and then we name them. And now what we do is we upload these and we re-upload those and we re-upload those to different platforms. And then we'll re-upload those by location, but we'll change the name of the file. So changing the name of the file is an important kind of, I guess, SEO feature. And then another thing that you'll do is you'll get thumbnails, and you'll create some thumbnails, and you're going to do the exact same thing with the thumbnails. So let me exit out of that. So here are the different thumbnails that we have for those local services that we created different thumbnails in Canva for those services with phone number in the thumbnail. And the same thing as we change the location on them, we'll just do a quick edit on the properties of the file simply for SEO purposes. So that is another thing that we have done. So let me show you what this looks like or how to implement this. So what we would do is we would go to our YouTube services, which is right here, and we load those up. We'll only do one video a day. You don't want to spam YouTube because they will pick up on that, but we'll load one video with that service and designate it for a location that we cover, and then we'll upload another video with that service for a location. Now this creates not a lot of views, but it creates highly optimized content. So it's really going to get in front of the people that matter the most for that specific offer. So that's why it is important. We upload these SEO optimized titles with targeted locations, and we upload a short and a long in tandem, and then we tag the short form video as a play next to the long form video so people can go and then see a more detailed breakdown of what it is we're talking about, what particular service it is we're offering in further detail. So that is the strategy behind that. And then what we do is called content syndication. So with content syndication, what I do is I head on over to the business.facebook.com, and this is almost like Facebook's CRM. And I come on down here to the content tab, create post and create reel. And if you drop this down in here, you'll see where you can bulk upload reels and bulk upload videos. And that's exactly what we do is we go to the page that we want to serve. And if you have multiple pages, they're right over here on the left, and you can swap these out for a different page. You have a fan page or a business profile, but we're going to keep it here for now. But anyway, and then you can bulk upload those videos, bulk title them, and bulk create like the hook or what the video is about and upload them. And if you do this in YouTube and in Facebook, and then you rinse and repeat with different locations, you can start dominating search engine results pages with this little strategy. So let's go into content marketing. So with content marketing, I'm going to give you show you a few crazy things here. So one of the things that we use is called Copymatic AI. Now we pay for this at 30 a month, and there certainly are AI tools that are free, and I'll show you those as well. But what I found from testing different AI content, whether it be from Claude or GPT or any of the others, is that this tends to outperform them as far as content ranking. So what we'll do with this, so with the content marketing strategy is obviously we'll come up with our topic with keywords, and I'm going to show you I have a couple of graphics that are used as cheat sheets, which I will release those to you as free resources. But So we'll come in here and then we'll create a blog with it. And we'll even create a video and then convert it into a blog. And I'll show you how I do that. In video, or excuse me, Copymatic used to do that. And I'm going to put a link for Copymatic in the description too, in case you want to check this out. It's a valuable tool. Not only can it write blogs, but it can write emails. It can help you with keyword research. It can generate landing pages in HTML, which I certainly have done plenty of those. But again, you can do it for free, and I'll show you some tools I've used to do that for free. Be it again that Copymatic tends to outperform those when we're talking about ranking or search engine results. So if you make a long form video in YouTube, one of the things you can do is you can come down here. This is a free AI blog video to blog converter that I use. So basically, I do a video just like you're watching right now, and I can paste that video link from YouTube into here and hit generate blog post, and then voila, it creates a blog out of what I was talking about, which in original and humanized content. So it is super sweet, super powerful, love it. So Copymatic, again, link will be in the description. It can do a wide variety of AI services or AI type of functions all in one place and tends to outperform free stuff. So that's my 2 cents on that. So now if you wanted to build landing page press, which I recommend blogging on either LinkedIn or Medium, and I've done a video before on Medium. If you go check, I have a video on my LinkedIn passive lead generation strategy. I did a blog on that, or a video on that, I'm sorry. And I did a video recently on blogging on Medium. So you go check those out. But if you should also be blogging on WordPress. So I don't know how to build a WordPress site. Well, here, Bolt AI will build a WordPress site for you. You just tell it what you want. Tell it to build you a WordPress site or tell it to build you a WordPress page in HTML, and it'll do it for free. It'll build you a whole dang website, actually, which is really crazy. Then you just have to export it. So there's a few more steps involved, but it's nothing short of amazing. You can do the same thing in Claude AI. Here is Claude AI, where I asked it to, we recently recreated in Teachable, which I'm going to have a forthcoming video about comparing kind of Teachable to Kajabi. I'd like Kajabi better. Spoiler alert, but I'm going to give you a breakdown of both of them because both of them made us a lot of money with courses we've created. But anyway, so we created a landing page for one of our sites for that for our LSE. And this one you're looking at actually is our simplified divorce. So this created me a simplified divorce page, landing page that I could just copy the code and load it right into my WordPress site. It's a little thin on content, which is why I prefer Copymatic, because Copymatic can create the same kind of aesthetics or visual quality of landing page, but then it can create a little more in-depth content, less thin, more likely to rank better. So, but that is Claude AI. So Claude and Bolt. So now let me revisit our content marketing strategy, and let me go over here to my folder, and I've got some things. So we talked about Neil Patel. Let me show you content marketing. So I have here something I call my content pyramid, and that is kind of how you would create content, the concept of creating content. So let me show you this. So here is my content SEO pyramid, which you can see awareness, educate, lead magnets, and glossary pages, or in other words, common terms. Interests, so case studies, hit pain points, provide with competitor alternatives, competitor versus, reviews, and buying guides. So there's your content plan. And then to further sum that up for like location, here you go. Here's another one. This is the best versus, pain points, in location, city, state. These are simple content strategies broken down into the simplest forms. And right here is my AI prompts I use both to get keywords and generate content on free websites. So there you have it. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next one.